Guys, do you know that you can make money with Coinbase? I know a lot of you don't know about this, but there's a session where you use to make money on Coinbase. I know you can't wait to learn or see this method. So what I want you to do now is to keep on watching. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. Leave your comment in the comment section below, and let us head over to my computer right now. To start making money with Coinbase, first thing, click on the first link below this video. So once you click on the first link, it will take you here. So why did I say you should click the first link in the description? Because you are going to get $10 bonus when you use my referral link in the description. So once you click on the first link, for those of you who already have a Coinbase account, you don't need to do this. You just need to wait till the next step. Watch till the next step. So for those of you who don't have a Coinbase account, I'm going to show you how you can get your Coinbase account. So first thing, once you land on this page, after you click on the first link in the description, then you can see you enter your first name, last name, your email, your password, and you accept that you are more than 18 years old. You click on create. So when you click on create, it will take you to a step where Coinbase is going to ask you to verify your account. You can verify your account with your national ID, or you can verify your account with your password. Any one of these documents that you have, you can use it to verify your own account. So let's assume now that you have verified your own, you created your account on Coinbase and verify it. So congratulations, you have your Coinbase account created. Then the next step is how I'm going to show you how you can start making money with Coinbase for free. You are not paying any money. Everything is 100% free. So keep on watching. The next thing is you need to click on login. Once you click on login, it will bring you to a page like this. What you need to do, you need to enter your email here and click on continue. So once you click on continue, what you need to do, you need to enter your password here to log. So as you can see, guys, I have just entered my password. So what I need to do is to click on continue. So it's logging me into my own account currently right now. So as you can see, my account have just opened. As you can see, my current balance right now is $74 on my own account. And how you can start making money with Coinbase, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can start using to make money with Coinbase. One of them is invest. You will invest if you want. This is not if you want to do it, but the 2 other is free. So the first way you can use to make money with Coinbase for free, you need to click on this section where it says learning reward. This section here where it says learning reward. Click on learning reward. So when you click on learning reward here, it's going to open this page here. So what you are doing here is that there's a bunch. Let me don't say a bunch, but there's a lot of cryptocurrency platform that is partnering with Coinbase. And what they do is that they give people opportunity to answer and give honest opinion about their platform or their cryptocurrency. And what they do is that they will pay you for just giving your honest opinion. There is no right or wrong question. You can see that I have made $4 on this company, which is the graph. And if you scroll down here, I have make $3 from this company, which is called Galaxy, and I have make money from this company which is called Near Protocol. So all these company I have make money. You can see $3. You can see here $3, and you can see each quiz that I'm taking, I'm making $1 per quiz. You can see for just 1 minute video. So you can see for watching this 1 minute quiz, I'm going to make money. So how does the quiz work? If I click on the quiz now, let me click on the quiz, it will open up. So when the quiz open up, you will just see, just going to be reading through what the quiz is saying, and at the end of the quiz, you will be asked a question, and once you are asked a question, what you have to do is to reply what they are saying. Like what I said, there is no right or wrong question. So there is no right or wrong answer. So what you have to do, they will ask you a question at the end of the quiz. All you just need to do, reply it, and if you answer it correctly, you will make $1. Like I said, there is no right or wrong answer on this method. So you can see they are asking us a very simple question on this Coinbase platform, and this is
the graph company that is asking this question. And why it's showing less in here is because I have already watched it, and I've already get the reward. That is why normally it's supposed to be showing quiz here. It's just to tell you how it will display when you are using it. So that is it, and that is how it works. Once it's done, it will move to the next step until you complete all the quiz, and you will make the $3. So it's very, very simple, guys. I hope that you understand what I'm trying to say here. So let us go back again. Let us just go back. So once you come back here, you can just go through the quiz, a bunch of quiz that they have for you. You watch them. If you have not watched them, it will be showing green. I want you to, it will not be showing black here. This section where it say in $1 GROT, it will be showing green. But because I have already earned this money, that is why it's showing end, and it's showing $1. Everything is on black now. So that is it, light black. So the second way you can make money with Coinbase is the referral program. So by referring people to Coinbase, you are going to be making $10 and they are going to be making $10. So it's very, very simple. Refer as much as people you can and make money with the referral program. So that is it. So we are going to move to the investment part. Let me say you have your Coinbase account now, so you want to invest. If you want to do this, I will just quickly show you how you can do this. So what you can do here, you see this section where it say earn. So what you are doing on Coinbase right now is that you are staking. You are trying to start staking with Coinbase. As you can see, I'm staking with DR. Why I'm making 15%, I will make this 15% every year. Every year I'm making this 50%. I want you to pay in mind when you are staking with Bitcoin. When they tell you that okay, you'll be making 50%, that 50% is not monthly. I want you to pay in mind that 50% is at the end of the year. That is how much you'll be earning. But every single day, DR is going to be giving you free coins. Let me say up to few coins for using the platform. So let me go to this session. You can see this company, which is Ethereum, will pay you 4% to stake with them, and this company, which is Tezos, will pay you 4.65% when you stake with them, and this which is Agurand will pay you 5.75%, and Cosmos will pay you 5% for staking with them. And let me show you something here. If I click on let me say for example Cosmos, if I click on Cosmos now, I'm trying to see details now to know everything about Cosmos, how much I'll be making and how long my money will spend on Cosmos. So if I come here now, you can see that Cosmos is $12.88, and if I scroll down here, just scroll down, you will see this company, any money you put, this company is going to hold your money within 74 days. They are going to, which is 3 months plus, and their market cap is 3.7 billion, and the volume is in 24 hours is 414.9 million, and the trading activity is almost 89%, and buying which is 89% on buy, and sell is 11%, and the property is a #11. And yeah, so you can just go to see everything, how this company you are trying to invest your money is, and how much you can make, and so on and so on. So now that you know how it works and how you can go and invest, if you want to invest now, you just click on buy, and you can buy any amount you want and invest it on this platform. If we go back again to this section where you say earn, you will see that these are the assets that you can use on Coinbase to stake. This is staking, like you put your money in there every single day or every single month, depending on what the company say that they are going to be paying you. You are going to be making money. So as you can see, my lifetime earning, which is 0.00000 here, which is I'm using DAI because I believe that this is a company that I trust, that I want to invest in because it's good for me. So I will make more video about how I'm investing on cryptocurrency websites. So I'm going to end this video from here, guys. And yeah, so if you want to learn more about how I invested on crypto.com, you can watch this video that will pop up right now, so that you can learn step by step how you can invest your money on crypto.com. How I invested $328 on crypto.com. So I will say thank you very much, guys, and again, see you on the next video.